Lord, and do it thankfully, thankfully, thankfully. Every song I sing, every praise I bring, everything I do is a gift to you. Everything I have, all you given me, I give it to you, Lord, and do it thankfully, thankfully, thankfully. Thank you, God, for the world so sweet. Thank you, God, for the food we eat. Thank you, God, for the bird that sing. Thank you, God, for everything. God bless you. God bless you. Good morning. Good morning to you, friends. Good morning, all of you. Put your hands up. Put your hands up. Hands down. Up. Down. Touch your head. Touch your shoulder. Again, hands up. Hands down. One hand up. Second hand up. Okay. Again, touch your head. Touch your shoulder. Open your hand. Side. Stretch. Stretch. Again, hands up. Hands down. Roll your hands. Roll, 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 roll. Fast, 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 fast. Slow, 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 slow. Again, fast, 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 fast. Okay. So now rub your hand. Rub, 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 rub. Fast, 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 fast. Keep it on your eyes, on your face. Okay. So good morning to you all. Now write down the date in the chat box. Everyone. What is the date today? Write down in the chat box. Yesterday it was 19th, right? So what will come after 19th? Yes, Hate, Shivain, correct. The date is correct, bacha. Shri, correct. Araf, correct. Pakhi, correct. Write down the date, everyone. Himay, correct. Nivan, correct. Laksh, correct. Hriday, correct. Okay, so what is yes? Correct. Yes.
Today is Tuesday.
Yes, bacha. The day is Tuesday. Very good, Priya. Correct it is. So, first of all, we'll write the date. What is the date today? It is 20th July 2020.
Ma'am,
Yes, Kia.
Wednesday my daddy's birthday.
Oh, so tomorrow is your daddy's birthday.
Yes.
Okay, so happy birthday in advance from my side, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. So, yes, today's date is 20th July 2021. Vedika is correct. And what is the day today? Today is Tuesday. Which day is today? Today is Tuesday. Okay? And class, yes, one more thing which I want to announce. Tomorrow is holiday. Okay? Tomorrow is holiday on Wednesday. Okay? Why it is holiday? On the account of Bakri Eid. Okay? So there will be holiday. Now, in maths, we have already, yesterday we have started with addition, right? Okay, do you all remember? What is the symbol of addition? It's called addition, right? This is called the symbol of addition, plus, right? So if I will do addition 5 plus 9, so what is the answer? 5 plus 9. Count it. I will count. Keep 5 in your mind. 5 in your mind and 9 fingers. Okay, then you will count 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13,
14.
14. So 5 plus 9, what is the answer? 14. Okay, what is the answer? 14. So you have to keep one number, first number in your mind, and the second number you have to show that much finger. And then you can do continuous counting. Okay, so this is the way you can do addition. Okay, everyone. Do you have any doubt? Do you have any doubt, Kia? You understood, bacha? Should I give more example? Okay. So, Kia, it is a combination. What is the meaning of plus? You are adding more to the things, okay? If I have a 4 number in my one hand and on another hand, I have 4, okay? So, when I will combine both the numbers together, how many are there?
8.
8. So, that is addition. That is called addition. Okay, so there is a symbol thing that is, this is the sign of addition. Okay, this is called the sign of addition, plus, add. Okay, everyone. Once again, I'll give one more example. If I have 3 chocolates, okay, if I have 3 chocolates and my mom give me 5 more chocolates, okay, my mom give me 5 more chocolates. So how you will count? You will keep 3 in your mind. Okay, you have to keep 3 in your mind and you have to take out 5 more fingers. Okay, yes, Kia, the answer is correct. Okay, so 3 in my mind and 5 fingers. So 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So the answer is 8. Okay, the answer is 8. I have kept 3 in my mind and I have took 5 fingers out. So after continue counting 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. And if you don't want to do like this, if you don't understand in that way, then you can do, I'm giving you one more example. 6 and plus add 3. Okay, I'm adding 6 plus 3. So in simple way, you can draw a line also. If you want to draw, you can draw 6 line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And here you can draw 3. 1, 2, 3. And then you can count it to all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we will get answer 9. Okay. Yes. Everybody understood? Now, you have any doubt? Anybody has any doubt you don't understand, then you can ask me a question. Okay, Kia? Understood, bacha? Should I give more example? No? Sure? Okay. So now everyone take your Maths Ahead book. We have already finished the edition of introduction. So take your Maths Ahead book. Open page number 56. Okay, you have to open page number 56. Page number 56. Yes?
5, 6.
Yes. 5, 6, 56. Open page number 56. Everybody done? Done? So here you can see in the first picture there is a boat. Okay, in that boat How many kids are there? How many boys you can see? Show me on the finger. How many boys you can see in the boat? Boat. How many boys are there? Yes, Kia is showing me correct. Hriday is showing me correct. Arav correct. So in that box, there is a square box, right? You have to write number 2 in that. Okay, you have to write number 2 over there. This is the boat. Here you can see the box. Here you have to write number 2. Okay, write down number 2. Yes. Now in the next picture, there are some girls and the boys. They are playing, right? The children are playing. So there are how many children? Yes, 3 children. So write down 3 in the box. Write down 3 in the box. Here you can see there are 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So you have to write 3 in the box. Yes. Now this is the simple, again an example. There are how many children all together? 2 in a boat and 3 are playing outside. Okay, so how many are there total? How many are there? The sum of them, 2 plus 3, 5. Okay. So in the same way, let's do some more examples. Okay, now page number 57. You can see page number 57. So what you have to do? Here you can see the picture. There is 1 mug, so you have to write 1 here. Count and write. Then you will count this also, count and write. And then when this total together, it is 3. So here also there is a 3. So you will write it here. Okay, write down this. Write down this. Done everyone? If you are done this, then let me know. Oh, Kia is so very fast. She has finished the next page also. Very good, Kia. Very good. Now turn the page, class. Okay. Now turn the page number 58. Okay.
करना है मैम.
हाँ बच्चा.
59 करना है.
हाँ करना है. We have to do, but you can wait. You can be with ma'am. There is no issue with that, बच्चा. If you will finish fast, then you have to wait. So you can go with ma'am.
How to do?
Which one? The next one I'll tell you. Just give me a minute. Let's everybody finish this page and then I will explain how to do this. So page number 58. Okay, class? What you have to do? You have to count the picture, write it in the box, count, write, count and write. Okay? So this is what addition here. There are 2 flowers and 2 more makes how many? 4. Okay? So this is the way you have to do. Do this page also right now. When you will done this, just let me know. Okay, class? Finish page number 58. Done? Very good. Just wait for others to complete. Wow, Kia, you are done that page also. Very good. Well done. Danish done, bacha. Page number 58 you have to do.
Ma'am, done.
Shall I tell you how you have to do? Shall I write the answer? Wait, I'll also write the answer. So you will get a clear idea. You can check it out. Okay, so here I have... Okay, very good, Shivan. Just check, everybody check the answers. Here I have 2 sunflowers, right? 1, 2. So I have written 2. Okay. Then here I have again 2 more. So here again I will write 2. Then here by counting I get to know this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So here I will write 4. So what is written? How we will say this? 2 and 2 make 4. Okay, this is written the way it is written. 2 and 2 make 4. It means when we will have 2 and we will add 2 more, it makes 4. Okay, Kia, just very good, very good. Now you will not finish any more page. This is the only page number 60 will till we have to do. Okay, just you check your answers.
I complete 59.
Very good, very good. The one who has completed, that is very good. The one who has not completed, they can check their answer right now. Then we can see there are apples. How many are there?
Can I go to washroom?
Yes, Paki, you can go, bacha. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I will write 4 here. Then 1. So 4 and 1 makes, how many make? They make, it makes 5. Okay, it makes 5. Then here I have 1, 2, 3 birds. Okay, so I am writing 3. Here I have 1, 2. So I will write 2. So 3 and 2 make 5. Right? Make 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this is the answer. Now page number 59 you have to do. You can do it by yourself, but how? There are written 3 ways to say the addition. Okay, very good, Kia. There are 3 ways to say the addition. How we can say it? Here it is written. We can say 4 and 2 make 6. Okay, 4 and 2 by combining this it makes 6. Another way to say addition, 4 plus 2 is 6. अगर आपको क्वेश्चन में कभी ऐसा पूछा जाए, sometimes it is written 4 and 2 makes how many? So you should know that it is an addition. Okay, so you have to know, yes, we have to add 4 and 2, so it is 6. Sometimes it is written 4 plus 2 is 6. So you should know that plus means again it is an addition. Okay, then we can also write with the symbol 4 plus 2 is equal to 4. I mean 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. Okay, so this is just an example to say how we can say differently addition. Okay, add means addition, sum means addition, all together means addition. Okay, combination means addition. This all are the word of addition. Why ma'am is telling you right now the different words of addition? Because when we will do subtraction and then we will have sums over there, some word problem sums, so you should get to know whether it is addition or whether it is subtraction. Okay, chalo. Now everybody is done with page number 59. Are you done with page number 59, class? Nivan is telling done. Hriday is done. Khanak is done. Kia is already done. Yes, Laksh. Yes, Laksh.
Ma'am, I repeat again. I can't understand.
Yes. Yes.
Number page done.
Okay. So, okay, wait, Laksh, just wait. Hate is also done, right? So the Ayash, are you done? Acha, are you done with page number 59?
I repeat.
Okay, very good.
I
Very good.
can't understand.
What you don't understand, Shlok?
चलो next page, come on.
Word.
आप मुझे
Ma'am,
you
repeat
tell me
again.
which
मैम
one,
रिपीट
ma'am?
अगेन एडिशन जो आपने बोला ना अभी
The different words for addition.
या एडिशन वर्ड्स
Okay, so Shlok, pay attention. I'm repeating that again. Okay, when you get to know what is addition, when we have written the word add, so that is mean addition. When we have the word sum means all together, so that is also addition. All together is also a word for addition. Okay, combination is also an addition. और जब दो नंबर के बीच में a and d and लिखा हो ना, that is also called addition. Okay, so these are some words of addition: add, sum, all together, and, or the symbol of plus. Okay, this all are called addition. There are 5 ways to know what is addition. Understood now? Chalo. Now, if you are done with page number 59, let me check the answer. You can write the answer. You have to write the same numbers. Okay, just a minute. Everyone, class, please mute your microphone. Here we have 1, 2, 3 monkeys. So you will write 3 and 1, 2. 2 make how many? 3 and 2 make 5, right? So I am writing 5 here. Now, again it is written how to do 5. Yes, Vedika, just mute your microphone. Now again it is written how to say addition and how to do addition in a different way. Here again there is a symbol of plus. You can see it means again it is an addition. So again how many monkeys are there? 3 plus we will say 2 is 5 is equal to 5. हमने यहाँ पे क्या बोला? 3 and 2 make 5. यहाँ पे हमने क्या बोला? 3 plus 2 is equal to, this is equal to 5. Okay, so this is the two different way to say addition. Here again, once again, how many stars are there? Stars with the smiley. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here I am writing 4. 4 and 1, 2, 3. 4 and 3 make 5. Oh, sorry, 7. Okay, and here again 4 plus. This is the symbol of plus. Plus 3 again is equal to 7. Okay. दोनों में number same लिखना है. Just the way of speaking is different. Nivan, I can't see you. Where are you? Now complete page number 60. You have to complete page number 60. If you are done, who is done, then they will wait. The one who has not completed, they will complete right now. Okay, let me check the answers. If you are done.
Water.
Yes, Kia, you can, bacha. Everybody is done? Done. Everybody is done with page number 60. So let's check the answer. I will ask any of you to say the answer. 4 plus 4. Okay, there are stars. Okay, 4 plus 4 is equal to how many? Everybody write in the chat box. 4 plus 4. Okay, Kia, correct. Shivan, correct. Others? Vedika, correct. Hriday, correct. Het, correct. Yanvi, correct. Arav, correct. Okay. Laksh, correct. So basically here the answer is 8, right? Here the answer is 8. Yes, Khanak, correct. Now next is, there are 3 fishes and we are adding 4 more. Okay, so 3 plus 4 is equal to how many? 3 plus 4. Oh, Kia has already written. Kia and Het has already written the answer. Very good. So 3 plus 4 is equal to, yes. Answer is correct. Laksh, Khanak, Pakhi, Vedika, Yanvi, Arav. Correct. Ayansh, how are you doing? Ayansh is not saying anything.
See, ma'am, done page.
Ma'am, done this page.
Done. The page is completed. Okay. I can see bacha now. Good. So the answer is 7 is correct. Now 4 and 3 make how many? 4 and 3 make? Okay, Het, Kia, Laksh, Shiven, correct. Yanvi. Okay, now the last one. Vedika and Prayag, Hriday, correct. The last one is 4 plus 1 is equal to how many? Yes. Shiven, Het, Prayag, Vedika, correct. Correct. Correct, Yanvi. So 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Very good. Okay, now, yes, Arav, Pakhi, correct. Now your next class is your English class, right? So yesterday I have done one upload that you have to keep something ready. 3 clouds, right? You have to cut the shape of clouds, 3 clouds. You have to cut the clouds. Okay, 3 clouds. And all the 7 colors rainbow strips. Okay, this should be 3 pairs. Okay, for the 3 clouds you have to keep 3 pairs ready. Okay, the one by the chance if you forget to complete and you have not done, just keep it ready for the next class. Okay, there is a break so you can complete in that time. Very good, Yanvi, very good. I can see many of you have done. Very good.
Bye, ma'am.
Because I'm ending our class. See you in the next class. Very good. Bye. Bye bye. Yes, Khanak.
6 months long is enough.
Ha, enough.
Bye, ma'am.
Okay, bye, bacha.